Ever pondered about the how and why humans have developed this unique ability to scrutinize, to examine, and to assess the world around them? This fascinates everyone, doesn't it? This enticing cognitive skill didn't just drop from the sky. Its roots can be traced back to the earliest beginnings of humanity, emerging from the primal instincts of survival and curiosity. As early humans, our ancestors had to evaluate their surroundings to survive. The ability to judge what was safe and what was dangerous, who was a friend and was a foe, what was edible and what was poisonous, provided humans with an evolutionary advantage. Over the millennia, this ability was honed and refined. As the human brain grew larger and more complex, so did our evaluation capacity. With the advent of language, humans could now share their evaluations, which brought about a collective intelligence and gave rise to the development of culture, laws, and societies. This cognitive ability has led to technological advancements, scientific discoveries, and an understanding of the universe that no other species possess. But this journey of evolution isn't over. We are still evolving, and our ability to evaluate is becoming more refined and complex with every passing generation. Our cognitive capabilities continue to grow, shaping not only our personal experiences, but also the world around us. Today, we embark on a journey that will take us through the evolutionary timeline of human evaluation. In the beginning, the primal human needed to survive. Survival wasn't just about finding the next meal, but it meant navigating through a world that was fraught with danger at every turn. The earliest humans were not the dominant species. They were just a small part of a larger, more complex ecosystem. They had to compete not just other humans, but with a vast array of animals, many of which were far stronger and faster. Every moment was a challenge, every day a struggle. The intensity of this challenge required a sophisticated mechanism of evaluation to assess threats, resources, and opportunities. This evaluation wasn't a conscious thought process, but a deeply ingrained, instinctual reaction to the surrounding environment. It was an automatic response, honed over thousands of years of evolution. Threats came in various forms. It could be a rival group of humans, a predator lurking in the shadows, or even unpredictable weather conditions. Resources were more than just food and water. They encompassed shelter, tools, and even alliances. Opportunities might include a new hunting ground, a source of fresh water, or a safe place to rest. This primal evaluation hinged on instinctual reactions to stimuli such as danger or food. It was a complex interaction between the individual and the environment, a dance of life and death that required constant attention and adaptation. A single mistake could mean the end, but a successful decision could secure survival. This dynamic process was a simple yet effective mechanism for early humans, rooted in the fight-or-flight response. It served as the foundation of our cognitive abilities, shaping the way we think and act today. Whether we realize it or not, we are the descendants of those primal humans, and their instincts are still deeply embedded within us. When faced with danger, we still rely on these instincts to guide our actions and shape our decisions. In the end, it all comes down to survival. But as mankind evolved, so did its cognitive abilities. This evolution propelled us forward in ways that define our existence and distinctiveness from other species. The dawning of language was the foremost development changed the game for humanity. This new form of communication allowed our ancestors to express feelings, describe experiences, and share knowledge, laying the foundation for civilization. Language also allowed humans to forge social structures, another milestone in our development. With language as a tool, we created hierarchies and rules within societies, established roles, and defined responsibilities. It helped in forming norms and regulations, which in turn instilled a sense of order and coherence in our collective existence. Our cognitive advance also led us to develop cultural norms. These norms, rules, and shared understanding of the world around us shaped our behavior and guided interactions. They were an integral part of our collective consciousness, fostering unity and socio-cultural evolution. Moreover, the cognitive leap allowed humans to evaluate abstract concepts like trust, morality, and beauty. We began to understand and appreciate the essence of these concepts, and they became crucial pillars of our lived reality. It was a profound transformation that elevated our existence beyond survival into realms of spirituality, philosophy, and aesthetics. The birth of symbolic thought was another leap forward. It facilitated the evaluation of ideas, beliefs, and ideologies. We began to create symbols, associate meanings, and interpret complex emotions and thoughts. This ability allowed for the flourishing of arts, literature, and philosophy, diversifying and enriching our cognitive landscape. It set the stage for the diverse forms of evaluation we see in today's society. From an evolutionary standpoint, human evaluation is an adaptive trait that offered survival advantages to our ancestors. This attribute has deep historical roots that trace back to the earliest days of our species. In the primeval past, our ancestors found themselves in environments that were wild and uncharted, teeming with both threats and opportunities. The skill of evaluation in these scenarios became crucial to their survival and prosperity. This ability to distinguish friend from foe, for instance, was paramount. It enabled them to form alliances, avoid hostile entities, and foster communal bonds that were crucial for their continued existence. Moreover, the capacity to discern between what was edible and what was poisonous was another fundamental component of this evaluative ability. It helped them to forage effectively, avoiding lethal substances and safeguarding their health. Furthermore, recognizing beneficial and detrimental behaviors played a significant role in human evolution. The trait enabled them to align their actions with what was advantageous, steering clear of actions that could lead to harm. Over time, this trait became a crucial part of the human survival toolkit, allowing our ancestors to navigate and adapt to their ever-changing surroundings. Natural selection, the driving force behind evolution, favored those with these sharp evaluative skills. As a result, over generations, there was a gradual refinement of cognitive processes. This refinement was particularly evident in areas associated with perception, judgment, and decision-making, leading to the complex cognitive abilities that we, the modern humans, possess today. Natural selection favored those with sharp evaluative skills, leading to a gradual refinement of cognitive processes associated with perception, judgment, and decision-making. A spellbinding theory in evolutionary psychology, put forth by the eminent scientist Robert Trivers, proposes that humans, over the course of their evolution, have developed a remarkable deceit detection mechanism to assess the trustworthiness of other individuals. This intriguing proposition suggests a level of psychological sophistication that is both profound and essential to our understanding of human behavior. The concept of a deceit detection mechanism is not just a stark reminder of our significant evolutionary journey, but also suggests an ability which played a pivotal role in our survival as a species. It implies that humans from their early existence were equipped with this unique aptitude to differentiate honesty from deception, truth from lies. This ability was not merely a survival tool, but also a critical aspect in establishing and maintaining social relationships. This capacity to discern between honesty and deception was necessary for forming alliances, recognizing dishonesty, and preserving social harmony. It allowed early humans to navigate a world fraught with potential dangers and deceptions, ensuring mutual trust and cooperation within their groups. Moreover, it is believed that this innate skepticism towards those we do not recognize or are unfamiliar with might have been an indispensable factor in our evolutionary progress. It could have been a fundamental driving force behind the development of intricate social structures and the concept of mutual collaboration and cooperation. This inherent skepticism towards unfamiliar individuals may have been a cornerstone in the development of complex social structures and cooperation. The cognitive foundations of human evaluation are deeply rooted in the human mind. Perception serves as the gateway to evaluation, interpreting sensory information from the environment. But perception isn't a one-size-fits-all process. It's influenced by attention, prior experiences, and cultural background, underlining the subjective nature of evaluation. For instance, two individuals may perceive the same piece of art differently, filtered through their unique perceptual lenses and past experiences. Memory also plays a crucial role in human evaluation. Our past experiences serve as a reference point for comparison and judgment. In summary, the evolution of human evaluation is a fascinating journey that began with basic survival instincts and evolved hand in hand with cognitive abilities into a complex process that helps us navigate the world. From discerning physical threats to navigating social interactions and evaluating abstract concepts, human evaluation has played a pivotal role in shaping our understanding of the world. Whether it's the primal need for survival, the cognitive processes of perception and memory, or the evolutionary advantages of deceit detection, each aspect of human evaluation has contributed to the rich tapestry of human cognition and behavior.